Cielo's hungry.
In sandals. Don't show my feet.
Oh, my bad. There you go. You're cute. I didn't know, baby. Don't be like that. Hey, come here. All right, this is the restaurant we're gonna come to. The Bird. All right. This place is called The Bird.
I don't know, one of those two. Maybe I'll get that one.
The Buffalo Bird? Okay. What is it?
Smaller sandwich for that one.
It's
That one's smaller.
It's small?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
A buttermilk biscuit, yay big. Portion of chicken, and it comes with the side of the tater tots as well.
It's like cheesy inside of there?
Nah, it's Dijonnaise.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Everything looks so good. The naked bird. The straight thing. I need to hurry up and choose one, huh? Which one did you get?
The buffalo.
And what is it? It just has buffalo sauce? Bird.
That's celery.
I'm gonna get this and we could like, you know? Alright. Should I do classic or spicy? You want a spice? Yeah?
Yep.
I'm gonna ask him real quick how spicy it is. Like how spicy is the spicy chicken sandwich?
Got an order for Alex?
Is it spicy, really spicy on the chicken sandwich?
It's got a respectable kick.
Yeah?
How are you with heat?
Huh?
How do you like heat?
I mean, I kind of like heat, but I don't want it to overpower it too much, you know?
It's not.
It's good? It's pretty good, spicy?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, all right, I'm gonna do spicy then. Is it like popular? Is it like popular pick?
That's the most popular one right there.
Okay.
That's the one I'm known for.
Okay, spicy. It's good. Like, what is that on top of it?
Cheese, bacon, sour cream, and green onion.
Let's go look at it. Do you want to sit down already and go to the bathroom? You have to go to the bathroom or no? Wow. Just a city girl in the city.
Okay, city girl.
City girl. This is the little logo. Oh, I forgot. I turned my DoorDash on, babe.
Wow.
And I got a delivery here.
Let's eat first, and then you can start doing all that.
No, we don't have to do that. Like, for real. Look at $10. That's a close one, too. Wow. They call us?
I don't know. We can eat, go do that, and then go to the beach after.
Go
and
do
go
order.
home.
What is it? I don't know if we'll have time to do that.
Do what?
Sit around doing DoorDash orders. It'd be cool to, like, if we got high paying ones, sit around and do them. But when they're low paying, it's just not worth it sometimes. But it's nice to be out here though, with you. You look pretty with the city behind you. Oh, we should do something creative. I got like a super creative idea.
Yeah?
Yeah. You want to do it? All right. Hi. How does it feel to be a mother on Mother's Day and a beautiful woman on Mother's Day?
Nice.
Feels good? Yeah. You like it? Mm-hmm. You glad you're out here for Mother's Day in San Francisco?
Yeah.
I'm glad to.
Yeah, my face is so oily, babe. Oh my goodness gracious.
Especially being able to come here and eat. That's exciting. Are you warm? Yeah, that's good.
I don't know if they're calling you or somebody else. I just hear a little
Yeah,
talking.
come on. You hear it? You hear something, man?
A little talking.
All right. Wow.
So this is gonna be the spicy with the cheese. That's the mango habanero, and then this is the loaded tots or the loaded fries.
Did you get mango habanero?
No, I think it was a buffalo. Unless I clicked the wrong one, I don't know.
Is it mango habanero?
No, hold on. I'm crazy.
I think she wanted the.
That's buffalo.
Okay, all right. You're good. So this one's mine right here, the one
Yeah.
that's not. Okay. All right.
Enjoy it.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. All right, let's go back. Where do you want to sit at?
Sit right here, it's fine. We got a drink too.
Oh, we got a drink too?
Yeah. Oh my god.
All right. We sat down. We got our food. This is what I got right here. The fried chicken, spicy. Ow. And then we're sharing these fries. They're loaded fries, huh?
Yeah.
So they call it loaded fries. So we're about to eat this, review it, let you know how we feel, you know. We're food critiques today. You want to do the honors of doing the fries first, baby? We got a Dr. Pepper to drink.
Yes, caffeine. Ooh, caffeine.
Cheers.
Ooh, it's hot.
That's good? That is good, huh? Mm-hmm. Is bacon in there? I could taste it.
Give me a napkin.
Not a bit. Now you can really taste the bacon and then fries. What you gonna rate them? What you gonna rate it?
That's a 10.
These are a 10?
They're good. The
The fries are a 10.
They're not really like some fries, like curly fries, they get super crunchy and like overcooked. Those ones are soft.
Yeah. Those are good. Oh. Alright. Let's do the sandwiches now. I think we gotta go bite it with, ooh man, that's gonna need some coverage. Look at the inside of that. It's dripping too. Like the way, sorry. Alright, we're both gonna buy this one. Alright, no ranch first.
Messy, you hold it.
It's good. You can do ranch if you want.
I do want ranch.
Do ranch. I just did it with no ranch because I wanted to try it without it. Without the ranch, you can really see how spicy it really is. And it's actually kind of spicy. But it's a good spicy. It's spicy, huh? I don't know if you're gonna feel it right away, but that thing's dripping.
Maybe I'll give you one.
Oh, the ranch? Really good.
Maybe I need more soda.
Is this better than the Dave's? What was it called?
But Dave's, yeah. Actually, let me try this one first. I know what you're talking about. That was
Yeah.
Dave's, huh?
I think that was the name of it.
You didn't hear me?
On your eye?
Yeah.
We're gonna need more of this, huh?
Really good.
You gotta take it slow with these. They're super thick. I need to try yours. Yeah, they're super thick and they feel like they're spicy. I'm gonna use this, okay? Just share it. I guess, right? Which one do you like better?
I like how yours has like coleslaw and stuff in it.
Yeah, you want some more of mine?
No, that's spicy.
Because they're both pretty thick. I mean, we could eat either one, probably share and both get full. You could have some more.
Yours is spicy.
The coleslaw does have like a refreshment to it, huh?
Yeah. This one just has celery, I believe.
You're more than welcome to have more.
I know.
I'm getting full. Everything is good and very filling. Just a lot of flavor at once. Everything. Everything got a lot of flavor. I may have to go get more of that. I'm gonna have to go get more. I might as well go get more right now.
Yeah.
Want to sip it before I go get more? You can chug it. Probably mad we can share it, you think?
Oh well.
So how everything's looking? You enjoyed that? Yeah. You gotta use the bathroom?
Yeah, before we leave.
Did you like it?
Is there like a code or something to it?
What?
Is there a code?
No. Let's walk in there. You want me to go with you?
Sure.
Yeah?
What about that stuff? It's fine, good.
Feel played? No No cameras? Where are we located, my love?
The beach.
The beach. We are now at the beach, yeah? All right, this beach is called Ocean Beach in San Francisco. Where are we going to, babe?
I want to take a picture up here really quick.
Oh, right here? Okay.
Move the stuff over here, though.
That would be a fire photo. Oh, yeah. Is it like a hot sauce right there?
I'm not sitting right there. I'm sitting over here. Just putting the stuff down.
Okay. You want this blankie or no?
No.
Okay.
Grab my pink phone. In there. Use it. And take pictures of it. And don't get my toes. Get here up.
Get there up?
Yes.
Okay, I got you, baby. Don't even trip. We're going to take care of you.
Carlos tries to show my toes all the time. And I say not to. The beaches in Frisco like this, they're just so far from the water.
They're far from the water, you said?
Yeah.
They are, huh?
Like the
You
ones
gotta
in
walk
Monterey, they're close. Like
That is
right
true.
there.
I didn't even think about that.
Yeah.
You got a point, sweetheart. You got a point. Is there a paletero right there? Oh, there is.
Yeah, they're probably making bank right there.
Oh, if we had cash left, I'd get one. He's hustling, he's grinding. I can't wait to eat some of this cake. That's all I'm thinking about right
I
now.
know you are. Ew. So stinky.
When you say some cake looks good or it looks cakey, that's when you know it's gonna be good. Cause you be picky
Yeah.
and you have a good flavor and a good taste when it comes to eating
Everything.
cake. Everything, yeah. That's true. Not even just cake, everything. You're right. God dang, it's still all the way over there.
Fuck.
Damn, G. Why they do us like that, babe? Your toes in the sand.
It's not good sand.
It's not.
No. Not good sand.
You want to set up right here and like eat your stuff, or you want to go in the water first?
We can set up right here and we'll go closer and take pictures, or I don't know.
Like right here, you could. I don't know how it would look if we were down here. Right here would be cool too, huh?
Yeah.
I'm just trying to make it look to where it don't feel like World War II. The dirt. World War II is probably a lot worse. Was definitely a lot worse. Rest in peace to all the soldiers.
Oh, look at those now.
I don't know what all this plastic crap is or this comes from.
Maybe like right here.
Okay.
Look at the bird's feet.
The closer it is, the fresher the sand feels, huh?
Yeah.
Right there, it felt weird.
Because usually the water comes up.
Now this is a better decision because we
Yeah.
don't have the kids.
Right here's good.
There.
Yeah. It looks super close to the water.
Okay.
Trying to make sure it's not going to come up here.
This is the beautiful things in life, huh, baby? And I even put on the other lens. Oh, they look pretty in this sun. You make me feel like a professional. Like I know what I'm doing out here, huh?
You're my little professional.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm your professional. Let's try it, baby. Crazy angle, huh? You're all looking up, I'm all up here. Hi guys, we're just chilling at the beach. You know, it's a beautiful day. You ready to eat some cake?
No. I
Huh?
want you to take pictures of me in this.
Okay, we could do that, babe. Whoa, whoa, whoa! What's going on?
Cut that out.
Cut it.
Please.
Cut it. Are we going into the sand?
Probably.
Yeah. You want me to use this lens for the photos?
Let me see.
She just need a thought. I'm trying to keep on. You cold? You left your mic over there. What is all this on the floor, babe? Alright, you guys. We got this cake. Homeboys, homegirls, homies. The frosting is starting to melt a little bit while we're sitting here on the beach, so we're just gonna go ahead and fire in on the cake and make an executive decision to go ahead and eat it. You ready, babe? You want your flowers, baby? There you go. There you go.
Oh no.
And let me get one for the IG real quick. Hold your flowers up, baby. Stunt on them, baby. Yeah. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Huh?
I said thank you.
Let's just say likewise. No, I'm playing.
I am your mom.
Thank you, baby. Happy Mother's Day.
Try it.
What?
The cake.
Oh yeah, we can eat it now?
Freaking dying to eat it, yes.
Okay, all right. Finally, we get to eat the cake. So what we're gonna do, baby, is we're gonna peel the sides like that, okay? We're gonna peel them just like that. And then we're gonna just get into the side like that, baby. Yeah, get the frosting before it all melts. Now look at that. Ooh, we need more frosting. Give me some more. Oh, now we got all frosting, no cake. Let's bite that. Here goes none, baby, look.
You good? Or too sweet?
No, it's good. It is sweet,
It's the buttercream,
but
huh?
it's good. I would say it is.
Maybe I wish I got strawberries. The cake looked good, but I don't really like buttercream.
It's not bad.
My stuff is dry as hell.
It's dry? It is kind of dry, huh?
Yeah.
I was expecting more. Well, I'm still gonna eat it. Well, cheers.
To nothing.
To nothing.
I have nothing on it.
That's funny.
That's dry.
You know what is missing?
Milk.
It's like it's milk and sprinkles.
Can't even get it.
You want frosting, no?
I'll go some frosted.
Okay. That's okay, baby. I know it ain't the best, but it's something sweet. It hurts my teeth. So I'd say we're chilling. We're on the beach eating sweets, relaxing. It's a vibe. What you think? Yeah? We vibing?
Yes.
What do you rate this trip so far?
A 10.
A 10?
Better than being at home.
Would you have been mad if I didn't get out the house and I just sat on the computer?
Yes, I'd be very mad.
You'd be pissed today,
I
huh?
would not be talking to you all day. You'd be, what's wrong? What's wrong? And I would not tell you.
No, I think I would have known. I knew better today. I knew about sitting at home. I was like, I'm gonna get in this car and at least try. Huh?
I kind of want to try to go to Yosemite on like Tuesday though.
Okay. We
But I'm
can do
gonna have
that.
to call in. But I was only saying Tuesday because we have the.
You enjoy the beach, babe? Yeah. If you worked from home, would you live out here? Like in a little house?
Yeah.
Like say, like.
Oh, it feels so good in here.
It feels warm.
Yeah.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to go home? You're so beautiful. Yeah, I love it. What do you mean?